Are you ready to transform your space into a festive green wonderland this St. Patrick's Day? Whether you're hosting a party, decorating your home, or just want to embrace the Irish spirit, we've got the ultimate St. Patrick's Day decoration ideas for you. From DIY crafts to vibrant table settings and outdoor displays, this video covers everything you need to celebrate in style. Let's jump right in. How can I create a festive St. Patrick's Day table setting? A well-decorated table is the centerpiece of any St. Patrick's Day gathering. Here's how you can set the perfect festive vibe. 1. Green and gold theme. Use green tablecloths and gold-rimmed plates to set the base. Add gold coins, shamrock confetti, and themed napkin holders for a magical touch. 2. Centerpieces. Create a stunning centerpiece with a pot of gold, a black pot filled with gold-wrapped chocolates, fresh flowers in green and white, and shamrock garlands draped across the table. 3. Place cards and party favors. Add personalized place cards shaped like shamrocks or gold coins. Include small party favors like mini leprechaun hats or chocolate coins at each seat. Enjoying these tips? Hit the like button and share this video with your friends to spread the St. Patrick's Day spirit. How can I decorate my outdoor space for St. Patrick's Day? Outdoor decorations can make your home stand out and spread festive cheer. Here's how. 1. Shamrock lawn signs. Place wooden or cardboard shamrock signs on your lawn. Paint them green and add cheerful messages like Lucky You or Happy St. Patrick's Day. 2. String lights. Use green and gold string lights on trees, fences, and along your porch to create a magical glow at night. 3. Front door wreath. Craft a St. Patrick's Day wreath with green ribbons, shamrocks, and gold coins. Add a welcome leprechaun sign for extra charm. Love outdoor decorating? Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decoration ideas. How do I decorate my living room for St. Patrick's Day? Bring the festive spirit indoors with these cozy yet vibrant living room decoration ideas. 1. Throw pillows and blankets. Swap out regular pillows and throws for ones with shamrocks, rainbows, and green patterns. 2. Festive mantle. Decorate your mantle with shamrock garlands, green candles, and small leprechaun figurines. 3. Wall art. Add temporary St. Patrick's Day wall art like framed shamrock prints or rainbow posters. Looking for more cozy decorating ideas? Check the description for more inspiration. How do I incorporate lucky symbols into my St. Patrick's Day decorations? Symbols of luck are at the heart of St. Patrick's Day decor. Here's how to use them creatively. 1. Shamrocks everywhere. Use shamrocks on table runners, wreaths, garlands, and even as cutouts scattered on tables. 2. Horseshoes. Hang horseshoes above doorways or use them as part of your centerpiece for an added touch of luck. 3. Gold coins and leprechaun hats. Scatter gold coins across your tables and mantels. Pair them with mini leprechaun hats for a fun touch. Want more creative ideas? Check the description for products featured in this video. What are some budget-friendly DIY St. Patrick's Day decoration ideas? You don't need to spend a fortune to create festive St. Patrick's Day decorations. Here are some easy DIY ideas. 1. Paper shamrock garlands. Cut out shamrocks from green construction paper and string them together to make a garland. Hang them on your fireplace, doorways, or windows. 2. Mason jar crafts. Paint mason jars green and fill them with gold-wrapped chocolates or green fairy lights. These make perfect tabletop or windowsill decorations. Number 3. Leprechaun hat centerpieces. Use empty cans, paint them green, and add a black belt with a gold buckle to create mini leprechaun hats for your table or mantel. Want more budget-friendly decoration ideas? Check the description for a full playlist of creative St. Patrick's Day crafts. What are some creative centerpiece ideas for St. Patrick's Day? A stunning centerpiece can tie your St. Patrick's Day decor together beautifully. 1. Pot of gold arrangement. Use a black pot filled with gold coins and green flowers like hydrangeas or carnations. 2. Shamrock bouquet. Create a bouquet using green carnations and shamrock-shaped cutouts. Place them in a mason jar wrapped in green ribbon. 3. Rainbow vase display. Layer colored sand or stones in a clear vase to mimic a rainbow. Add gold coins and green flowers on top. Love these centerpiece ideas? Hit subscribe for more festive decoration content. What are some unique St. Patrick's Day party decoration themes? If you're throwing a St. Patrick's Day party, a creative theme can make it unforgettable. 1. Irish pub theme. Transform your space into an Irish pub with wooden barrels, beer mugs, and green table runners. Play traditional Irish music for added authenticity. 2. Rainbow and pot of gold. Create a backdrop with rainbow streamers and place a faux pot of gold at the end, filled with chocolate coins. 3. Leprechaun hideout. Build a small leprechaun hideout using cardboard, moss, and fairy lights. Make it interactive with hidden treasures and clues for kids. Planning a party? Drop a comment below with your favorite theme idea. And there you have it. Everything you need to create an unforgettable St. Patrick's Day celebration. From vibrant table settings to magical outdoor displays and DIY crafts, you're all set to bring the luck of the Irish into your home. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive decorating tips. Happy St. Patrick's Day.